Looking for a reliable way to keep your phone within reach on every ride? Our universal bike phone mount fits all smartphones with screens between 4, 5 and 6 inches, including popular models like the iPhone X, Samsung Galaxy S8, and Google Pixel. It's the perfect companion for cyclists who want convenience without compromise. Installation takes seconds thanks to the innovative silicone belt design. Simply wrap it around any handlebar, whether on a bike, motorcycle, scooter, or even a baby stroller. Push it through the mount, and secure the belt. No tools, no hassle, just a firm grip that stays put no matter the ride. What sets this mount apart is its durability. Made from premium silicone, it absorbs shocks and vibrations, protecting your phone from bumps and sudden jolts. Once attached, it holds your device securely, so you can focus on the road ahead without worrying about your phone slipping or falling. Versatility is key here. With 8 adjustable loops on the belt, this mount adapts to almost any handlebar size or shape. Whether you're cruising on a mountain bike, navigating city streets on a scooter, or pushing a stroller, your phone stays accessible and hands-free wherever you go. If you're ready to upgrade your ride, this bike phone holder comes with more than just solid build quality. It includes a 30-day money-back guarantee, a worry-free 12-month warranty, and 24-hour customer support. That means you can try it risk-free and get help whenever you need it. One satisfied user from the United States sums it up well: easy, simple, and well-priced. It holds in place while riding and is easy to get around by phone. One-step install. Easy. If that sounds like what you need, this mount is definitely worth a look. Don't settle for phone mounts that slip or require complicated setups. This universal bike phone mount offers what you get: secure hold, quick installation, and long-lasting durability. Try it when you're ready to keep your phone safe and accessible on every ride.